Hey y'all, it's summertime. You know, time to get them electrolytes and all that. We got the Gatorade flavor, new flavor Gatorade thirst quencher. Lightning Blast flavor. It's the purple flavor. So we're gonna check this out. You know what I mean, time to get your electrolytes and all that and stay hydrated. Summertime. That's what I want. Let's see how good this is. I like it. Smells like lavender, but it tastes like some type of lemon. It's good, it's great. I like this drink. I don't know, I like this joint, man. You know what I mean? Lightning thirst. You know what I mean? Lightning Blast, Gatorade thirst quencher. I think y'all should copy it.